With the country recording its first case of COVID-19 and the potential that hundreds of workers across the country may be asked to self-quarantine to stop the spread of the virus, national insurance officials are assuring workers that measures are in place to provide financial assistance should that become necessary. Vern Carey has more.
National insurance officials assuring workers that sick benefits will kick in for persons who may be unable to work for weeks should they have to self-quarantine as a precautionary measure to stop the spread of COVID-19 or the coronavirus. This after one case of the illness has now been confirmed in the Bahamas. On the global scene, there are over 171,000 confirmed cases with more than 6,000 deaths recorded worldwide. Chief Manager at N.I.B, Pandora Butler, on that initiative.
If a person is employed on the day off or the day before, they were quarantined by their employer, whoever it is, or government may issue quarantine for groups of people. If they're quarantined, the National Insurance Act and regulations provides for sickness benefit to be paid for quarantine. You don't have to present with the illness. You only have to be under observation as a result of having been exposed to someone with it or to the disease.
Workers will have to meet the criteria to receive the sickness benefit.
46 years ago, the framers of this National Insurance Act and regulations anticipated quarantines. Now, there are going to be some conditions attached, and stay tuned, you'll hear more about that in the weeks to come. If they're entitled, if they meet the conditions for any benefit under national insurance, they will be provided with it.
The government also has a plan in place to protect the health and safety of the country in the midst of this pandemic. Vern Carey, ZNS Network News.